Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vionna, your favorite YouTuber, and today I am just gonna do a really chill vlog. As you guys know, I'm on this journey of trying to build my wealth, so this is gonna be one of those vlog days where I show specifically what I entirely on how I build my wealth. And wealth is not just doing action on working on stuff that produces money, but growing your wealth is also growing your life, making your life more richer, more happier. So I'm also including things in my day-to-day that help feel at peace, help me feel fulfilled, and also helping me grow my wealth. Update, we're still in lockdown, so I'm just chilling, trying to make the best of it. Today wasn't the best morning, considering that I woke up really late, and you guys kind of know how I am when I wake up late. I just feel like the day has half day been wasted already, and I get kind of stressed out and like a bit anxious over trying to get over that aspect because I still have all the stuff that I wanted to do. It's just gonna be later on for the day. I just put a jumper on because it's a bit colder and I'm kind of sick of wearing this jumper. I wear this all the time because it's like my favorite. Stop wearing this. I have made this daily gratitude thing that I'm gonna make it into like a ebook kind of thing, but this is like a journal kind of thing that I've created. What it is, I'm gonna test it out today and see if it works, if I really like it or not. Tested it out. I feel like I need to make things I'm grateful for at least a little longer with like multiple lines because there is not enough space for me to write what I want to do, and I just need to fix up the 4 things that I'm looking forward to. I want to add the word today as well. So it's like what are you looking forward to? And this is a daily gratitude, so you do the first 2 things in the morning and the rest probably at night. So I'm having my first meal of the day. Yeah, so basically it's just hummus, avocado, egg. The other sourdough toast is the same thing but with jackfruit. Okay, so how do I usually conduct my day when I do my work and my business stuff? So basically what I first do is I make sure I do my morning routine, which is basically just exercising, doing my gratitude affirmations and putting myself in a good mood. And usually when I do gratitude, that makes me just focus on the things that I'm grateful for, and that makes me just stop complaining and stop being in a negative mindset because I'm looking and finding things that I'm grateful for. Also, affirmations, they're really empowering and they really uplift you, especially when you're saying the right affirmations for yourself. And so that's what I do first. Then I go on the day, most important task, most urgent task first, and that is usually just posting on my socials. So I post my TikTok, usually post my TikTok, Instagram first thing in the morning because I usually batch rate them so they're ready to go. That is done. Then I go and do what a task, urgent tasks that need to be done. So for today I had to create TikTok content because the content from last week was almost running out. After I've done everything that had to be done, I usually just go and just create. And so creating, whether it be creating digital print, working on creating content for my jewelry business, researching for new jewelry to I'm gonna release soon, or making videos or editing videos. Those are that I usually do as a form of creation, and it's usually just it's not as intense. There's no schedule for it. It's like whenever I'm in the flow state or I feel inspired, that's when I go and make it. So today I did my TikTok video and then I decided to open up my store finally. There it is. Basically, I just released 2 new digital products. So one is 100 shadow work prompts, one is like a digital download. So we'll see how it goes. Now planning to make adult coloring books. So I'm just on Procreate, just creating a bunch of flowers that I'm gonna combine together. Thinking of like outlining existing flowers or like coloring elements of the web and then just combining it together. Okay, I'm feeling hungry and extra, so I'm making dinner. Basically, it's egg, yellow rice, avocado, tofu, jackfruit chickpea till late at night. And I'm just packaging the 2 orders that I got today. So sometimes the orders I get aren't consistent and they vary from the number. And so today I only have to pack 2 orders. So I'm just gonna do this right now.